Today you're going to be learning if all projects are supervised or not. All jobs that we do are supervised. If they're non-permitted jobs, then the foreman on site, they're the supervisor. They'll make sure everything gets done as planned. And if it is a permitted job, we have our engineering that basically writes up our plan and everything, and then they recommend a deputy inspector, which is usually on site to confirm that we have the right material, that we're installing the material to plans, depth and everything like that. And he usually writes up a report for us. And then after that, we'll have city that we have to answer to. So that's another supervisor. They'll have to come out and basically make sure that we had a deputy on site checking all of our stuff and everything, and then they'll double check their stuff, go around, make sure all of our stuff's in the right spots, and that's how we get signed off if the job is permitted. Thank you all for watching this video, and if you guys have any more questions or want to learn anything more, just go to our video center.